here? Ayun, dito nga. Okay. Woo, ang bilis ng EMF level what? Level 4. Level 4 lang yung EMF. Are you here right now? Can you talk to us? Where are you? Okay. Okay. Run. Oh, merong spirit box. Sana walang namatay. Alam ko namatay yung isa. Ayun yung isa oh. Kung i-check natin dito, patay na yan. Saan kayong katawan niya? Ay, ano, ubos oh. Ay, dalawa yung patay. Dalawa na lang kami na iwan. Oh my goodness. Wala yan. Ghost event lang yan. Hello Brad, kumusta ka na? Kaya lang bababa yung sanity natin dun. Hello idol, Kuya Red here, no? Welcome na naman sa isa na namang ghost hunting natin dito sa Phasmophobia. Ayan, so ito mga idol, this is Halloween special, no? So ngayon, multiplayer na naman tayo para marami kaming nag-ghost hunting para mabilis ma-solve yung case, no? So kita na lang tayo pag nandun na tayo mismo. Kaya huwag niyong kalimutan subscribe to our channel at sa Facebook paki-follow na rin. So kita-kita tayo mamaya. Mga idol, na so andito na kami. We're getting ready to jump. Okay. So let's go. Yan mga idol, no? So hopefully meron kaming audio ngayon. Hello, can you hear me? Patay tayo, parang wala na namang audio to. Okay. Subukan natin dito. Sana may audio kami. Guys, I'm so sorry but I can't hear any of any voice. Maybe it's a glitch. I will just update you with the evidence that I can get. Yan mga idol, no? So ayan, nagluloko na naman yung audio natin. Hopefully maging successful itong investigation. Ba talaga pag merong ano eh. Ba talaga, putang, gulat ako dun Iba talaga pag merong ano, communication. Bago lang kasi yung ano eh, bago lang kasi to sa PlayStation at sa Xbox. So normally mga karamihan sa kasama natin. Ito na siguro yung room. Oh, ito na nga. Mahirap talaga pag hindi marinig eh. Kanina pa pala tong mga to. Kuha tayo ng ano. Kuha tayo ng tripod kasi pag walang tripod pwedeng itapon ng ano yan eh, pwedeng itapon ng ghost yung pwedeng itapon ng ghost yung camera. Okay, so it's better meron tripod, tapos kukuha na rin tayo nito kasi aatake yan bigla, kawawa ka. Yan, so and meron na bang ganito? I'm sure meron na. Spirit box, dagdagan na lang natin ito para okay. Tara. Di ko alam kung ano yung mga evidence na nakuha nila eh. Okay, siguro mag-ano na rin ako ng sariling sa akin. Wala tayong magagawa. Wala pa palang ano. Meron na ba? Pwede namang i-steady kasi to eh. Ba't kailangan pa paikot-ikutin? Steady mo na yan. Huwag mo nang... Ay, di po. Sa tao na to. Huwag mo nang... Wow. Is that a attack already? Hindi. Ghost event lang yan. Yan na. Huwag mo nang galawin yan. Steady na yan. Napaikot-ikot mo pa. Okay, so let's check the camera kung merong ghost orb mga idol. Hindi natin alam kung may ghost orb eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung... Guys, I'm so sorry. I really can't hear any of your voice, sir. Wala bang ghost orb? Teka. Parang wala. Oh, meron. Looking at the camera right now, we have ghost orb. Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung na ano na nila to eh. Na-discover na nila yan eh. Ano ba meron? Get an average 25. Detect ghost presence with motion sensor. Repel with incense. Okay. I'll do that. Motion sensor. Ginagawa nitong tao na to. Tapos to Whoa. Is that a hunt already? Yes, it is. Bilis naman nun. Ghost event lang, hindi pa umilaw yung ano. Sabi isang crucifix. Ayun. Or, hindi pa yan mag-ano eh. Masusunog ba yung crucifix eh. Let's check kung merong ano. Walang freezing. Pero check natin mamaya yung freezing. Hindi nagsulat. EMF what? We have EMF level 5. EMF level 5. Obake or Raijo. Dalawa lang. Antayin lang natin yung iba. How about spirit box? Are you here? Are you good? Are you here? Are you close? Are you a good ghost? Can you speak to us? Are you here right now? Can you speak to us? Bakit tinanggal niya yung libro? Wala pang nagsulat. Paano ano yun ng ghost yan, bro? Pag ginuha mo yan? Ito pala. Tinapon na. Whoa. That's the first attack. Okay, so walang ghost writing. Okay, Diyan pa rin. Spirit box. Not sure pa eh. How about freezing? Check natin ulit. Okay, kung wala pa rin freezing ngayon, walang freezing yan. Ayan, 1.7. 2.4. Walang freezing siguro yan. Freezing. Wala. Diyan pa rin yung ubaki eh. Projector dots. Yan, umuusok talaga oh. Hindi nagsusula. Ito na yun. Oh, that's the second attack. Ano pa ba yung mga kailangan? Labasan lahat kasi pangalawang sunog na Hindi, meron pa namang isang crucifix doon. Dalawang burning pa yun bago mawalan ng bisa. Inom na tayo nito mga idol. Baka tayong unahin para umakyat lang yung sanity level natin. Repel with incense while chasing someone. Okay. Okay, meron bang ano dun? Tara, let's go back. Kaya natin lagyan nito palibutan natin para hindi makalabas. Para hindi siya alam ko pwede ito ayan pangalawa na wait I don't know if this will work pero narinig ko pwede. Parang ghost hindi makakapunta dito. Camera. Ano ba yung nakuha nilang mga photos? Okay. Wala na bang camera dito na alam ko 4 yung camera. Asan na yung mga camera? Hirap talaga guys. I'm so sorry. I really can't hear any voice coming from you. Hindi siguro totoo to. Nabasag camera. Give me camera. Walang camera dyan. Sa dami-dami ng camera. Video camera yan yung camera na stale. Alam ko na sa magtatago. Dito ako magtatago. Sa likod ng rep. Pwede dito Kailangan pang ang last namin mga idols, kailangan magpahabol So, sindihan mo yung incense paghabulin na. Sunog na lahat ng cross, 'di ba? Atake na 'yan. Practice. Okay, tago ka agad, patay ang flashlight. Yan lang kasimple. Ang tagal ng ghost. Yan yung last na napicturean na ba tong salamin? Baguhin ko lang yung settings ko dito. Parang pangit. Saan ba yung sprint hold lang? Oh my goodness, hindi ko na sprint hold, apply, zoom. Tara, hali kayo. Ang ginagawa itong dalawang to. Patay natin yung ilaw. May hinahanap nito. Patay natin yung ilaw para mabilis yung sanity level. Oh, last one. Pangalawang sunog na ba yun? Yes. So last na sunog, atake na yan. Yun lang inaantay namin. Asan ka na? Umatake ka na. Malalaman mo pag-atake kasi yung flashlight magpi-flicker yan. Ang tagal. Huwag nating isara yan kasi pag nag-a-attack yan, sasarado yan eh. So, doon natin malalaman na umaatake na siya. Mahirap pag nakahawa ka ng flashlight, naghahawa ka pa ng camera. Kasi pwede mong makalimutang i-turn off yung flashlight or yung camera. Pag matatrack ka kaagad ng ghost kasi electronics naka-on eh. Asan yung isa? Sa loob? Patayin natin ilaw Ayun o. Oh, it's hunting. Asan ka na? Okay. Okay. So let's. Yan mga idol, tumatawa oh. Tapos na ba? Tapos na ba? Tapos na. Patay. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Oh my goodness, he's dead. Hindi siya tumakbo eh. Ba't ba hindi ka sabi ko na nga ba yun ay, hindi pa nagawa eh. Kailangan pala talaga habulin ka. Yan 4% na lang wala na akong Sino kaya may incense dyan? Wala na akong incense. Dude, do you have incense? Oh, I don't have incense left. Who's dead, by the way? Isa lang naman yung patay eh. Baka yung isa may incense. Yan 0. Kuya Red Pag bumalik tayo sa ilaw, umaakyat yan eh. Patay yung isa. Ito siguro may incense pa. Dapat talaga hinahabol ka eh. Habulin ka ng ghost tapos sindihan mo yung incense. Yun yung ata eh. Asan yung isa? Dude, do you have incense? Did you see any unused incense? I'm sorry man, I can't hear any words. Maybe it's a glitch. I think we have to go now. I think we used all the incense already. Ano yung I don't know what you have guys, but I still have 2 here, Raijo and Obake. Okay, I have EMF level 5, no ghost riding, no freezing, no dot projector. But let me check, maybe we have a dot projector here or not. Let me check. Kasi pag mayroong dot projector to mga, let me check if there's a dot projector. Kasi hindi naman tatagal yan pag mayroong dot projector. Dadaan at dadaan na yung ghost dyan eh. Wala siguro, dapat kanina pa yan meron. Okay, kung tatanggalin natin yung dot projector, we have Obake. I removed the dot projector and it turns out it's Obake. Asa yung isa? Bumalik? Wala nang incense, delikado na mag-ano dyan, wala nang incense eh. Dude, shall we go now? I think it's Obake. Anong ginagawa nyo? I don't know if it's really Obake, but I checked here and I think it's a fair amount of time that we look at the monitor, but I think it's I can't see any dot projector, so I think it's Obake. Okay, let's go. So did you choose Obake? No kaya? Obake kaya? Di ko alam. Kasi wala ako nakitang dot projector eh, na dumadaan yung kaluluwa eh. Yung kulay green ng mga dots. Matitrace siya nun eh. Pag yes! It's Obake! Yeah! Nice job! Good job! Okay. Nice one. Yan mga idol, so tama kami no, Obake no. Yan, so we have it right. Thank you guys, good job. Yan mga idol no, so welcome na naman sa bago na namang location. Parang hindi na naman ako naririnig eh. Lahat talaga mga idol eh. So gagamit tayo ng camera para sa ghost orb no. Nauna na yung isa oh. Parang mahirap matrace mga idol kasi may may maliwanag eh. Ito na lang EMF. Guys, I'm so sorry but I think this is a glitch. I can't hear any of your voice. I will just update you with the evidence that I collected. Ooh, why is this open? Bakit bukas yan? Bakit bukas to? Kuha tayo ng na baka may fingerprint yun nakabukas eh. Okay, ano pa bang isa? Dala tayo nito, baka mamaya atake bigla eh. Minsan kasi early pa lang. Let's check for the fingerprints. Kabukas kasi siya eh. Kaya meron namang ghost na walang fingerprint. Hirap talaga, walang communication, promise. Para lang okay. Wala talaga ako naririnig. Ito na ba yung room? Lupit to, dalawang. Oh, I have EMF here. EMF dito. Ayan o. Hindi kaya. Kuha tayo ng asin para matiyak natin na saan ba talaga. Aapakan niya kaagad yung asin eh. Anong dala natin? Black salt. Okay. Isa lang yung ano natin. Natin malalaman yan pag ano. Kung saan naaapakan, yun na yung ano. Saan niya aapakan yung asin. So let's try here. Or maybe here. Yun, umatake na. Here. Ayun, dito nga. Okay. Hindi ko talaga alam kung hanap na tayo mataguan mga idol. Dito pwede. Oh, hindi pwede dyan. Meron na bang book? Wala pang book ko dito ah. Dito pa yung dalawang libro eh. Ito hindi na natin kaya. Oh, tinapon yung libro. Ibig sabihin ayaw niya magsulat. Okay, handwriting wala. Oh, ang bilis ng. Ay, pwede magtago nito sandali. Wala matataguan eh. Dito pwede. Okay. 2.2 3.4 2.2 2.8 walang freezing. Kailangan, wow, is that an attack already? Ghost event, ayun no. EMF level what? Level 4. Level 4 lang yung EMF. Manilagay yung ano. EMF. Taki na ba yan? Parang. Ayun, atake na. Antay lang tayo, sana walang namatay. Check nga. Wala na. Pag hindi na magpi-flicker yung flashlight, wala na yan. Is there a ghost in here? Patay na ata yung isa eh. Nadala niya yung libro. Are you a good ghost? Are you here? Can you speak to us? Are you here right now? Can you talk to us? Where are you? Okay. Okay. Run, 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 run. Oh, merong spirit box. Merong spirit box. Buti sumagot siya. Okay, we have Brit. Hindi yan Rit kasi ano eh. Yan mga idol, umaatake pa yan. Hindi yan Rit kasi tumapak sa asin. EMF level 5, hindi ko pa alam. Level 3 lang yung nakita ko eh. So ito yung mga evidence mga idol no, na i-check natin or i-crash out natin para lalabas ito kung ano kayang klaseng ghost yan. Wala na. Sana walang namatay. Alam ko namatay yung isa. Ayun yung isa oh. Kung i-check natin dito, patay na yan. Saan kayong katawan niya? Ay, ano, ubos oh. Ay, dalawa yung patay. Dalawa na lang kami na iwan. Cleanse the area near the ghost using incense. Tara. Meron na ba tayong lighter? Ayun oh. Naghahunt sa loob. Okay. So, check natin yung iba pang mga ano dun. Ayan, naghahunt siya oh. Tapos na. Okay. Whoa. Close it. Meron ka pang 5 seconds para tumakbo eh. Kaya lang, pag meron kang incense, that's another 8 seconds. Wala na. Nga pala, hindi kasi ako uminom ng, dapat uminom tayong sanity, ano? Para umakyat yung sanity natin. Na-complete na natin yung task, kaya lang hindi pa natin alam kung anong klaseng ghost. Kailangan paakyatin muna natin para hindi segundo yung atake niya. Oh, patay na yung tatlo. My goodness, kailangan ma-solve natin to mga idol. Okay. At least tapos na tayo sa ano, ibang mga task. Spirit box, ayan sila oh. How about ano? Meron bang freezing? Yes, we have. Dito na tayo para sigurado, no? Mahirap mag-ano ka doon, mag-check ka doon eh. Freezing, yes. Okay, it can be the twin. Meron bang ano? Walang camera kasi dyan eh. Walang camera eh. Wow. It's hunting. Sana hindi tayo mamatay. Ayan oh. Andiyan pa rin eh. Ayan oh. Naglalakad. Wala na. Oh my goodness. Wala yan. Ghost event lang yan. Hello Brad, kumusta ka na? Kaya lang bababa yung sanity natin dun. Promise. So we need to walang camera eh. Kailangan natin maglagay ng camera para kahit dito pwede natin i-check. Relax, kaya natin to. EMF. Wow. Diyan pa rin. Maatake pa. Yung mga kasama ka ghost na kasi sila. Wala na. Kaya natin to. So ghost writing, EMF, walang EMF ata eh. I think walang EMF eh. Kasi kung meron, kanina pa dapat. EMF 5, no. Onryo or Mimic. Ultraviolet light, wala akong nakita eh. It's an Onryo. Ghost orb. Tingnan natin kung may ghost orb. Oh, it's hunting. It's hunting. Ay puta. Ba't niya ako nahanap? Meron akong ano eh, hindi ko nagamit eh. Nakita ko na yung ghost na kasama ko. Ay, nako. Oh, tama tayo, oh, Onryo. Dude, I have it already, Onryo, but I died. Hello, hello. I'm sorry, I really can't hear any of your voice. I just can't hear any of your voice, dude. I'm so sorry. Maybe it's a glitch because you're using console and I'm using maybe it's because you're using console and narinig ba nila ako pag naglo-loading na ganito? Hindi ko alam eh. So hindi ka na pinatay mga idol kasi mabilisan lang. Nakapag-ready na eh. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Dude, can you hear me? I'm sorry, man. I can't hear your voice. You have that already, Onryo, but I died. Wala nang ano dyan. Walang iniwang EMF eh. Okay, kailangan natin to mataas-taas na ano to mga idol, no? So maybe we'll go with the camera and spirit box. Tara. Akala ko point ano, ito pala maliit lang pala to. We can use this for the ghost orb. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Patayin natin yung mic natin mga yung ano natin, flashlight. Ang hirap i-trace to pag ano, may ilaw. Nakuha na ba nila yung ghost room? Hindi pa siguro. Patayin natin yan para kitang kita yung ano. Yan, mahirapan din tayo kasi mayroong mga ilaw-ilaw dito. Sinindihan eh. Natakot. Hirap. Sana meron tayong EMF. Wala bang EMF na tinapon dyan? Wala ba silang tinapon na EMF? Buksan natin to. Wala akong equipment na magagamit eh. Spirit box din. Ooh, good. Oh, is this the room? Nubos yung asin na. Ito siguro may freezing eh. Yeah. Yeah, this is the room. Level 2. Oh, lagyan na natin ng ano. Spirit box. Dito na rin to eh. Try na natin. Are you a good ghost? Are you here? Can you hear us? Can you speak to us? Are you here right now? Are you near? Can you speak to us? Where are you? Can you speak to us right now? Don't be shy. Come on, come on. Ang pangalan ng ghost? Wala bang camera? Wala bang ano dito? Ang ginagawa mo. Mga idol, hindi kasi pwedeng makatakbo eh. Okay, so we need tripod. Marami namang camera dito. Ito na, wag na nating pulutin yung isa dun. Libro, meron na doon. Meron na ba ganito? Parang meron na eh, but I'm not sure. Pero magdadala na tayo. Ano natin kung may ghost orb? Meron na nga. Fingerprint sana. Fingerprint sana. Meron bang nagdala ng ano? Meron bang nagdala ng eto? Di ko alam kung ano yung nakolek nilang ano eh. Parang walang fingerprints. Fingerprints. Parang wala. What's that? EMF level 4. Parang walang fingerprint. So fingerprint evidence, ultraviolet, wala. How about freezing? Mahirap nito, parang nag-i-investigate din ako ng sarili ko eh. EMF, pawakan na lang kaya natin to. Level 2. Are you a good ghost? Are you here right now? Can you speak to us? Can you speak to us? Oh, we have level 5. We have level 5 EMF. Ano pa? How about the temperature? Wala ba nag-check na temperature? May... Oh, I can hear you, dude. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I hear your voice. Ano yan? Wala bang kumuha ng termo? Ito. EMF reader. Very pale and sense. Ba't umalis na? Di pa tapos to. Dude, we're not done yet. Di pa nga tapos eh. Ay, nako. Ano ginagawa nila? Rit? Mali, di ba? Mali, oh. Find the ghost. Dude, we're not done yet. Who closed the van? We're not even done with the side task. Ayan mga idol, no? So maganda. Nagano na kami, nainip na kami magantay kaya tatlo lang kami mga idol, pero okay lang yan, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung ano eh. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung location. So okay lang yan. Grafton farmhouse to. So unahin natin yung ano. Target ko ngayon is yung ghost orb. Baka makita natin. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Nice, thank you. Kala ko wala na namang audio eh. At least ngayon mga idol meron ng audio, no? So glitch to eh. Kasi ang gamit kasi nila ano, Ang gamit nila PS PlayStation, pati ano yung gamit nila, yung Xbox. Tayo computer kasi yung gamit natin, kaya bago lang kasi nagkaroon ng Xbox pati PlayStation, kaya inaano pa siguro nila, ina-adjust pa nila, may konting adjustment pang mangyayari siguro dyan. Hinahanap natin mga idol yung ghost orb, no? O kapag makita natin yung I'm going upstairs. Wala dito eh. Oop. At saka hindi lahat ng ghost merong ghost orb. Hopefully itong ghost ngayon is may ghost orb, para at least pag nakita natin yung ghost orb, sigurado yun na yung ghost room, kung saan yun yung paboritong room ng kaluluwa. Okay, pag yun yung ghost room niya, dun lang talaga siya kadalasan. So at least ano na natin, pinpoint na natin. Oh, why is this open? Ha? Wala pang nakapunta dito ah. Why is this open? O merong ghost orb. Bukas din to dito. Wala pa nakarating dito ah. Why is it open? Bakit bukas to? Okay, walang ghost orb. So try nating ano idol, try nating EMF. Whoa! Okay, this is the room, second floor. We have EMF level 4, but we don't have ghost orb. How about fingerprints? Okay, positive. This is the room, second floor. We have level 4 EMF. Yeah, I'll get other equipment. Yan mga idol, so nakuha na natin, no? Kuha na natin yung ghost room. Taka ako ba't may bolang tumatalbog. Okay. So, at least nahanap na natin. I'll get camera. No, dala ba natin yung camera? Wala.
Yeah, I got spirit box.
You have spirit box? Do you have spirit box? Kuha tayo nito. Tsaka meron daw spirit box eh. So hindi na tayo magdadala ng spirit.
Spirit box.
Great. Sabi niya meron daw spirit box. Yan, maganda pag teamwork. Maganda pag naririnig mo sila mga, ay nako. Ba't ko ginawa 'yon? Pagbalik natin, kuha na tayo ng incense kasi atake na bigla yan. Dude, can you get a crucifix? Meron na bang kamerang nilagay? Meron na pala. Akala ko wala pang crucifix eh. Dadagdagan natin. Thermal meron na ba? EMF. Sabi niya meron ng spirit box, 'di ba? Dalawa ng crucifix. Good. Nice, thank you. Kuha tayo ng thermo. Parang Parang wala pang nagdala ng termo eh. Pero kukuha na tayo nito mga idol.
Ghost right.
Ano to? Oh, not that.
Put ghost right down.
What's that, bro?
Oh, just made it giggle. That's great.
Kumaintindihan eh. Get the ghost, blow a firelight, capture photo. Okay. Firelight.
I don't think it's freezing temps, so I can get rid of that.
Di
I don't
maintindihan.
think it's UV either.
There's a UV?
I don't think it's UV. No.
No. If you see fingerprint, that's a UV.
Yeah, I don't think it's UV. Someone had the UV and it didn't come up with anything.
Okay. Pa. Tingnan natin kung merong ano. Walang ghost orb eh. Wala. Flashlight niya yan eh. Parang walang ghost orb. There's no ghost orb. No ghost orb.
What's that light in the middle?
Where?
Like in the middle of the screen, just below that thing.
No, I think it's the EMF.
Massive light. Oh.
Ghost orb floats, like it moves.
But it's not EMF 05.
No, I don't. But we can check again later. I'm not really sure. Do we have freezing?
No. It went to 1.7 or something maybe.
But yeah, but freezing takes time, so maybe we can wait for like we can test it again. Let's check.
Great.
So, firelight, crucifix, capture photo. King Noah, maybe you want to increase your sanity with the sanity meds here. It's the most likely the ghost will attack you first. Okay, ito, tara. Let's go back. Firelight daw eh. Ito yung side ano natin, side job. Kailangan kunin nyo kaya ano yung firelight. Firelight is a candle. Yan, meron ng attack. Second attack. We have ghost riding. Walang EMF.
Yeah. What's EMF on?
I think it's not level 5. It's supposed to be level 5 right now, but I don't think we have level 5.
Without freezing temps.
I'll check. 2.1. For now, there's no, it's not yet freezing, but
Candles have been put out.
yeah, that's one of our side task.
Oh yeah.
Di ko alam kung ilang burning na yan eh. Wala pa. Saan tayo magtatago? Hanap tayo na mataguan na. Kasi atake na yan. I don't think we can hide there. Layo ng tataguan mga idol. Di pwede dito, makikita tayo dito eh. Talagang bababa ka be. Di pwede dyan. Dito pwede, okay lang sobrang layo. Dito pwede dito. Aabutan
The crucifix just got burned.
Yan, aabutan ka talaga dun eh. Do we have fingerprints?
No. Well, I didn't check. Someone else checked, but I'm not sure. Checking if you can check again if you want. It's up to you.
I think there's none because usually it's the door, but don't have fingerprint. Wala to. Okay. I have Diogen and Moroy. Okay. It's either Diogen or Moroy, so we need to collect more evidence.
I have Spirit Box and Ghost Ride.
Oh yeah, I forgot the ghost. Oh my goodness.
I've either got Deogen or Mare. Oh, well, someone's dead.
It's already hunting. Baba muna tayo. Hinga muna tayo mga. Ay nako, namatay yung isa. Oh, the other one's dead.
Yeah. Yeah, I got goals, there were goals and I got Spirit Box as well.
Yeah, I already checked
So
Spirit
I
Box.
A Mare or a Deogen.
Yeah,
I don't think there's any ghost doors, otherwise we would have seen one. That means it's a Deogen.
Oh, so there's no dot projector. Okay, if there's no dot projector, what will happen?
There's no ghost doors though either.
Yeah, there's no ghost orb. You think it's Moroy?
Nah.
I have here Diogen and Moroy. So
Go Deogen if you want.
do we have do you have freezing? No, I don't think so.
No. We don't have freezing, ghost orbs, ultraviolet or EMF.
Okay.
That must mean it's a Deogen.
Okay. Capture a photo of the ghost and let's do that. Let's do the side jump.
Can do.
Okay. Let's go. Wala na kaming sanity pill. Okay lang, meron pa naman to, namatay yung isa oh. Is dead. Ang layo ng tatakbuhan kasi. Silang atakihin kami. Whoa, go bro. Ay, putya, namatay. namatay siya mga idol. Dalawa sila patay. Hindi siya tumakbo, sabi ko takbo, 'di ba? Ay, hindi pala, hindi ko pala. Dapat tumakbo na talaga siya eh. Photo pagos, hindi ko na siguro gagawin yan. Hirap pag ikaw lang mag-isa eh. Tapos wala nang sanity pill. So, I think it's Diogen. So, I'm going right now and I think it's Diogen, bro. I'm going. Di ko alam kung maririnig pa nila ako ah. Ay, poltergeist. Mali.
So there must have been UV.
Yeah, this is poltergeist. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys. Yan mga idol, no. So, medyo mahaba na rin yung video natin. So,
Welcome back. There's some jobs ready for you.
lesson learned nga pala. Sabi kasi nila meron silang nakitang evidence. Kailangan i-double check mo talaga kung meron eh. Kasi nag-depend lang ako sa kanila eh. Dapat ako mismo chinek ko. Okay, so may mali doon, kaya yon hindi namin So next time mga idol, no. So pag sinabi nilang may spirit box ganyan, dapat i-check ko ulit kung meron ba talaga. Okay, so lesson learned. Hanggang dito muna tayo mga idol. So hopefully nagustuhan nyo. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kuya Red Ghost Adventures, at sa ating Facebook, pakipollow na rin, no? So ingat kayo lagi. See you on the next one. Love you all.